how to make sure you don't lose your deposit. When buying a home, you have to put a deposit down. Back in the day, we used to be able to do handshakes, and now we have to put down money to make sure that you're going to come up with the money on closing to buy the property. Now, what happens when you put this deposit down and your home inspection falls apart, or perhaps you don't get financing? If you acted in good faith and you tried to go through the home inspection that came up with some issues, and you went through financing and ultimately you didn't get it, well then likely you're going to get your deposit back. So in the end of the day, be honest, and if something comes up that's out of your control and you can show that you tried your hardest to achieve your home inspection or your financing, be transparent if something comes up. Then all the other parties will be aware of the fact that you were trying your best and it just didn't come together. And then you won't have any problems getting your deposit money back. If you have any questions about this, please leave them below.